Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best seat for John Deere X300 is probably one of the most crucial upgrades you can make to your lawn tractor, transforming long hours of mowing into a surprisingly comfortable experience. If you're looking to enhance your John Deere X300's comfort and ergonomics, this seat is designed to provide superior support and durability, ensuring that your time spent on yard work is as pleasant and pain-free as possible. We'll dive into what makes this seat stand out and why it's a worthy investment for any X300 owner seeking to improve their ride quality and overall satisfaction with their equipment. Number 5. TRAC Seats Yellow Seat for John Deere X300 Series. Introducing the TRAC Seats Yellow Seat, designed for your John Deere X300 Series tractor. It's a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit for your machine. Crafted with a durable blow-molded frame, this seat offers long-lasting performance. Its ergonomic design ensures maximum comfort during long hours of operation. The seat features vacuum-formed, waterproof vinyl, making it resistant to corrosion and easy to clean. Stay comfortable and dry, no matter the weather. This is a direct replacement for John Deere X300 and X500 series models. It's built to seamlessly integrate with your existing setup. Please note that the safety switch is not included with this seat. Ensure you have the necessary components for installation. What we like. This seat offers a direct replacement for your John Deere X300 series, featuring a durable blow-molded frame and waterproof vinyl. If you're looking for a robust and weather-resistant option that's built to last, this is the one for you. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during long hours of operation. What people say. So easy to install. Fits perfect. JD300X riding mower. This is a quality seat and perfect fit. Took maybe 15 minutes to install. Seat was perfect match of the original. Number 4. Yellow Tractor Seat AUC 13500. Introducing a premium replacement seat designed for your John Deere riding lawn mower. This seat offers a comfortable and durable solution for your equipment. Engineered to fit a wide range of John Deere models, including the X300 and X500 series. Ensure a perfect fit for your specific tractor. This seat is designed to directly replace several part numbers, including AUC 13500 and AM 136044. Check the compatibility list for your model. Crafted with thick vinyl and a robust HDPE plastic casing, this seat is built for durability and all-weather performance. Store it indoors to maximize its lifespan. Enjoy a hassle-free installation process. Our parts are designed for a straightforward fit, allowing you to get back to work quickly and efficiently. Support American jobs and local economies with this product. It's from a business that is fully owned and operated within the United States. What we like. This seat boasts extensive compatibility with a wide range of John Deere X300 and X500 series models. It's constructed with thick vinyl and a high-quality HDPE plastic casing for durability and weather resistance. If you value supporting American businesses and need a reliable, easy-to-install replacement, this seat is an excellent choice. What people say. Fit perfect at my John Deere X300. Looks awesome, easy to install, took me less than 5 minutes to install. Replacement seat for John Deere lawn tractor mower. Arrived in perfect condition, easy to replace the old one. New one is very comfortable. Works and fits, is cooler that original seal, it's grooved. Great value. Number 3. AUC 13500 Deluxe Yellow Seat. Experience superior comfort and support with this Deluxe Yellow Seat. Designed for an enhanced driving experience, it's the perfect upgrade for your tractor. Featuring a high back design, this seat provides extra comfort for long hours of operation. You'll feel the difference with every use. Constructed with durable yellow vinyl and a blow-molded plastic seat pan, it's built to last. The molded handle ensures easy adjustments and usability. This seat is compatible with a wide range of John Deere lawn tractors, including models like the X300 series and X500 series. Check the full compatibility list to ensure it fits your machine. Easily replace your old seat with this direct fit option. It replaces John Deere part numbers AUC 13500, AM136044 and AUC11188, making the transition seamless. Designed for straightforward installation, you can quickly get back to your work with improved seating. Enjoy the convenience and comfort it brings. What we like. Experience enhanced comfort with this deluxe seat, featuring a high back for superior support. The integrated molded handle makes it easy to maneuver and position. If you prioritize comfort and ease of use during your mowing tasks, especially for extended periods, this seat is designed with you in mind. What people say. This seat is of better quality with softer, more pliable vinyl covering, so it will not split like THOEM. The back is a bit higher and more comfortable. Install was simple and the Deere kill switch fits snugly in a cut-hole designed for it. So far this seat is better than the OEM seat it replaced. My wife said she sits better in the seat, doesn't slide around and it rides more comfortable. Replaced the seat in like 5 minutes. Perfect fit on my X300, easy install and more comfortable than my original seat. Number 2. Deluxe yellow seat for John Deere lawn tractors. Experience superior comfort with this high-back seat, designed for extended use. Its durable yellow vinyl and molded plastic pan offer lasting quality. Enjoy a more comfortable mowing experience thanks to the high-back design. It provides excellent support, even during long hours of operation. Built with tough yellow vinyl and a blow-molded plastic seat pan, this seat is made to withstand the rigors of lawn care. The integrated handle adds convenience. This seat is engineered to be compatible with a wide range of John Deere lawn tractor models. It's a direct replacement for several original part numbers. Replacing your old seat is simple with this design for fit option. Enjoy enhanced comfort and a refreshed look for your tractor. The high-back design offers exceptional support, while the vibrant yellow color adds a touch of style to your equipment. It's built for both comfort and durability. What we like. This deluxe seat provides exceptional comfort with its high-back design, perfect for long work sessions. It also includes a convenient molded handle for easier handling. If you're seeking a comfortable and user-friendly upgrade for your John Deere tractor, this seat offers both premium comfort and practical features. What people say. This is a great improvement in back comfort design from original seat. Material is high quality, rides smoother because it is thicker, I think. I put this seat on in under 5 minutes. Works great. Perfect fit. Our original John Deere lawn tractor seat had cracks in the vinyl. This seat is very similar to the original. Number 1. Yellow seat assembly for John Deere X300 series. Upgrade your ride with this vibrant yellow seat assembly. It's designed for comfort and built to last, ensuring a great experience every time you mow. This seat is engineered for a precise fit on many John Deere X300 and X500 series lawn and garden tractors. Enjoy a seamless installation and a perfect match for your machine. Don't worry about compatibility. This assembly directly replaces John Deere OEM part numbers like AM136044 and AM134543, making the replacement process straightforward. Add a touch of color and functionality to your tractor. The bright yellow finish not only looks great but also makes it easy to spot your equipment. Experience a comfortable and secure seating solution. Installation is simple, allowing you to get back to your yard work with enhanced comfort and style. Invest in a high-quality replacement that meets original specifications. It's the ideal solution for maintaining the performance and appearance of your John Deere tractor. What we like. This seat assembly offers broad compatibility with numerous John Deere lawn and garden models, directly replacing several OEM part numbers. Its vibrant yellow color matches the original aesthetic. If you need a straightforward, color-matched replacement for your John Deere tractor and want assurance of fit across many series, this is a solid option. What people say. Replaced an old torn John Deere seat perfectly. Nice quality and fit, would recommend. It only took about 5 minutes to change it out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.